This next over laminate we're going to web up that is called self-wound film. You'll notice that there's no release liner on this at all, which lowers the cost of the product. It's still a very good adhesive. It's a little more difficult to work with than a film that does have the release liner. So what I like to do is peel off some surface area and roll the edges over, and that gives me something to hold on to. It also makes it a little more rigid, and it makes it easier to get through the machine. So once I've got this set up, I'm just going to go back around the front, and we'll go ahead and pull this down and drape it over the main rollers. So we got that nice little leader set up for us. So we'll come back down, or come back over to the front side of the machine. I'll reach up and grab this. Now, because there's no release liner, I'm going to go right straight to the rollers with it. Just like that. Let the static in the product do all the work for you. Make it nice and tight on the roller, just like that. Then I'll bring my vinyl up, and just like in all the other applications, we're going to bring this up, make sure my edges are lined up correctly, and I'm going to just tack it right to that film. Give myself a little bit of slack there, give myself a little bit of slack here, and then I'm just going to push that in, just like this. Make sure we're good and tight in that area. I've got a nice little wrap going there, and then I'll just hold that in place, come over and lower my rollers. Right to our rewind tube. Just like that. When you're running linerless film, the first thing you'll notice when it comes out the backside is these little round circles in here we call fish eyes. That is very normal for this type of a product.